Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on the MCQ from Botany paper first from class FYBC chapter 2nd Pteridophytes. From chapter 2nd, the first question is dash dash is known as the vascular cryptogams. Vascular cryptogams means what? The vascular bundles are present, but they are cryptogams, means the flowers are absent, and hence here in case of algae the vascular bundles are absent, in case of fungi vascular bundles are absent, in bryophytes vascular bundles are absent. So only there is the pteridophytes in which the vascular bundles are present but flowers are absent, and hence the correct answer is the pteridophytes. Next one, the second question, dash dash is the example of pteridophytes. Which is the example of pteridophytes? That is, the agaricus is fungus, Spirogyra is algae, Cycas is gymnosperm, and so Nephrolepis is the pteridophyte. So correct answer is the Nephrolepis. Then Nephrolepis is found in, that is, the options are water, moist and hilly region, desert area, and other plants. So Nephrolepis is found in the western Ghat of Maharashtra, where the water condition is moist and these areas are hilly. So they are not found in the water, but they are found near to the moist or in the moist and hilly region. They are not found in the desert, or they are not attached to the other plants. So correct answer is moist and hilly region. Then next one, in Nephrolepis, sora are present on the that is, options are dorsal surface of the leaf or pinna, ventral surface of the leaf or pinna, both the surfaces of leaf or pinna, and none up above. So the sora are nothing but the parts which produces the sporangium. So correct answer is that the sora are present on the ventral surface of the leaf, and hence the correct answer is the ventral sora. In Nephrolepis, sora are present on ventral surface of the leaf. The next one is the C-shaped vascular bundles are present on the TS of dash dash. So the options are stolon, the rachis, then pinna, and all of above. These C-shaped vascular bundles are found in the TS of stolon. So correct answer is the stolon. Those are not found in the rachis, or not pinna, or not all of above. Next one, in Nephrolepis, sporangium develops in, where this sporangia develops. This sporangia develops not in the seed, not on the branch, not on the rhizome. So correct answer is sora. This sporangium develops in the sora. So correct answer is the sora. Next one, in Nephrolepis, spores are, options are round in shape, rectangular in shape, kidney shaped, and elliptical shape. They are not round, they are not rectangular, they are not elliptical. So correct answer is the Nephrolepis spores are kidney shaped. Next one, in Nephrolepis, female sex organ is known as, and the correct answer is the archegonium. In the word, pteridophytes represented by about dash dash species. That is, how many species are found in the word of the pteridophytes, and the correct answer is the 15,000. In the Nephrolepis, dash dash phase is dominant. That is, there are the gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. So the dominant phase is sporophytic. So in the Nephrolepis, the sporophytic phase is dominant, and correct answer is sporophyte. At the time of fertilization, sporangium breaks open from at the annulus, at the leaf base, at the rhizome and at the stalk. So they are found at the they breaks open where there is the annulus, which have the slightly weak cells, and through these they liberate the number of spores. So correct answer is the annulus. Then in nephrolepis, vascular bundles are amphicribral. The correct answer is conjoint collateral is not there. Amphivessel means what? The amphivessel is nothing but the phloem is inside and xylem is outside. Conjoint collateral means what? Phloem and xylem are present in one and the same radius. Amphicribral means what? The phloem is outside, xylem is at the center. So the in case of nephrolepis, vascular bundles are amphicribral, in which the xylem is at the center and phloem covers to this, and a correct answer is amphicribral. Next one, in nephrolepis, vascular bundles are star-shaped in. The options are stolon, in the rachis, in the pinna, and all of above. So correct answer is that is vascular bundles are star-shaped in the TS of the rachis of nephrolepis. So correct answer is the TS of rachis. In the nephrolepis, reproduction is off. In nephrolepis, reproduction is of. Options are vegetative, sexual, and sexual. As in the nephrolepis, three types of the reproduction is found. So correct answer is all of above. In the nephrolepis, antherozoids is uniflagellated. Flagella means what? Motivative organ, which helps for the motivation. So the many flagella are there. So the correct answer is the multiflagellated. Cilia genera is the example of. It is not algae, it is not a fungi, it is not a bryophyte. So correct answer is that Cilia genera is the pteridophytes. In the nephrolepis, hadathod is present on dash surface of the lip, and options are dorsal surface, ventral surface, both dorsal and ventral, all of above. So nephrolepis, in the nephrolepis, hadathod are always found on the dorsal surface of the plant. So correct answer is the dorsal. It is hygroscopic in nature and it stores the water in the plant. In the 1976, pteridophytes are classified by, it is not classified by this G.M. Smith or E.P. Odom or Chamberlain. So correct answer is that the pteridophytes in 1976 are classified by K.R. Sporn. So correct answer is the K.R. Sporn. In nephrolepis, xylem are in the nephrolepis xylem, dash are absent, and the options are tracheids, vessels, fibers, xylem parenchyma, and correct answer is that in case of the nephrolepis, in xylem vessels are absent. So the correct answer is the vessels. In nephrolepis, dash is necessary for fertilization. For fertilization, the different types of the agents required. So the options are wind, water, birds, and insects. So for the nephrolepis, for migration of the spermatozoids towards the egg, so they gets migrate through the water. So in the nephrolepis, water is necessary for the fertilization. So correct answer is the water. Pteridophytes are known as, they in the evolution, these pteridophytes are known as the higher cryptogams. So correct answer is the higher cryptogams, because the algae and fungi are known as, or in case of these all the bryophytes are known as the lower cryptogams. So the higher cryptogams are pteridophytes. So correct answer is the higher cryptogams. The pteridophytes are homosporous, Heterosporous, both the types of spores are found in one and the same plant. They, some members may be homosporous or heterosporous. So correct answer is both A and B. Means pteridophytes are homo as well as heterosporous. So thank you very much. They are not round, they are not rectangular, they are not elliptical. So correct answer is the phloem is inside and xylem is outside.